everyone, and welcome to the Mrs. Nice English channel. I'm Nice, your morning routine specialist. If you're enjoying our content, don't forget to like and share this podcast to help our channel grow. Today, we're discussing a step-by-step morning routine that can totally transform your day. And joining me is my friend Richard, who could use some help in this department. Hi, Richard.
Yawn. Hi, niece. Sorry, I just woke up like 5 minutes ago and barely had time to brush my teeth. Is that coffee I smell?
Oh, Richard, that's exactly why we're doing this episode. A proper morning routine can boost your productivity, improve your mood, and set you up for success. And yes, I brought coffee, but wait until you hear about my morning drink recommendations.
I'm all ears, but please don't tell me you wake up at 4 a.m. or something crazy like that.
No, it's not about torturing yourself with super early wake-up calls. It's about creating a consistent routine that works for you. Step 1 is simple. Set your alarm for the same time every day, even weekends if possible. This regulates your body clock.
Really? I usually sleep until noon on weekends. You mean I shouldn't do that?
Well, try not to vary by more than an hour. Your body loves consistency. Step 2, and this is crucial, don't check your phone first thing. Instead, drink a big glass of water with lemon. Your body gets dehydrated overnight.
Wait, you don't immediately check Instagram? My phone is basically attached to my hand when I wake up.
That's a productivity killer, Richard. Social media floods your brain with information before you've even had a chance to set your own intentions for the day. Try this instead. Step 3, spend 5 minutes stretching or doing light yoga. Nothing fancy, just wake up those muscles.
I can barely touch my toes, niece.
You don't have to be flexible, just move your body a bit. Then comes step 4, and this is my favorite. Make your bed immediately. It gives you an instant win to start your day.
Make my bed? I thought that's what the comforter was for, to throw over the mess.
Very funny. But seriously, it's about creating order in your environment, which creates order in your mind. Now let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day.
Finally, something I can get behind. Although my breakfast is usually whatever sugary cereal's on sale.
Oh, Richard! Step 5 is preparing a proper breakfast. I recommend the Power Trio: protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs. My go-to is Greek yogurt with nuts, berries, and a drizzle of honey. It takes 3 minutes to prepare and gives you sustained energy.
That actually sounds pretty good. And I guess it doesn't take any longer than pouring cereal.
Exactly. And while eating, step 6, plan your top 3 priorities for the day. Not a massive to-do list, just the 3 most important things.
So find matching socks shouldn't be on that list?
Unless it's really urgent, no. Think bigger. And finally, step 7, take 5 minutes for mindfulness or gratitude. I journal 3 things I'm grateful for. It puts you in a positive mindset.
Even on bad days, there's always something to be grateful for?
Especially on bad days. Maybe you're grateful for the coffee I brought you today.
Definitely grateful for that. But seriously, this all sounds great, but how long does this whole routine take?
About 30 to 45 minutes total, but it's an investment in your entire day. And here's a bonus tip. Prepare as much as possible the night before. Choose your clothes, pack your bag, even set up your coffee maker on a timer.
I think I can handle that. Maybe I'll actually stop being late to our podcast recordings.
That would be wonderful. So everyone listening, remember, consistent wake-up time, hydrate first, move your body, make your bed, eat a balanced breakfast, set priorities, and practice gratitude. Follow these 7 steps and watch your mornings transform.
I'm definitely trying this tomorrow. Thanks, niece.
You're welcome. And to our listeners, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Mrs. Nice English channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time for another episode of Morning Magic.
Bye, everyone. I'm off to buy some Greek yogurt.